I got this little washing machine at Amazon.
Yeah, we're going to rip it.
This is a brand.
Yeah.
I already had one of these. It was way larger. This looks like a toy almost, and
Like
we are going to check if it works and how it works and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Now I want to put it right here.
Peel it.
I want to put it right here. We pull in or not? Hey, will you put it right here? Ah!
Wait.
There you go. There you go. Don't get stuck. Come on. That's stuck right here. Put it, hey! You gotta put it right here.
So I'm yet to figure out how I'm going to deal with this. Make some sort of, I don't know, connection or something. Since this is so light, I'm gonna just lift it up and put it in the bathtub. Okay, there's like this mark here. Seems like you can only add water up to there.
Add to there.
I fitted quite a few items.
Yeah.
Your items, your dirty clothes. Huh?
Yeah.
Aren't you too? Okay. So let's see this. Okay, I guess I am.
Wait.
Wow, that seems powerful.
Wait.
Oh yeah. Look, Lucas, your clothes are washing.
Wash.
Yeah, let's close it and just leave it there. Let's just leave it there and wait. Goodness gracious, look at that water. Now I'm gonna put it to drain. Look at the dirty water, oh my gosh. So it drains pretty fast. Wow. Look at all that dirt. I'm filling it up again to rinse the clothes. Yeah, that is happening. Skills right there. So now I'm rinsing the clothes. As that is spinning there, I'm filling it up again. I'm gonna do another wash. There it is. Almost dry. Excellent.